Hi friends, Ben back again, and this time with a metal spine. Well, not exactly. This is one part of the handguard that goes on the motorcycle, and what's interesting is the fact that this is made in China. And with all that is made in China, there are two ways of looking at it. One, they suck, they're pathetic, they're absolutely worthless, or if you're lucky, you could get yourself something which is really, really good and which will do the job as good as the expensive counterparts or all the expensive alternatives in the market. Now, this is one thing that I've been testing. I've been riding with for about 10 plus thousand kilometers on my motorcycle, and it has seen at least 100 faults. And this metal spine, I can swear by, absolutely no problems. Doesn't crack, doesn't bend. I mean, bends a bit here and there, maybe where it bends a bit here, bends a bit there, but that's all there is to it. This takes care of all the hits, not a single problem. Now, the only problem that I faced was this comes with a plastic guard, which kind of cracks and breaks, and is, 2-3 times you on the ground, and the plastic goes for a toss. So that's the only problem that I faced with this particular handguard. I will attach a link of this handguard in a moment. But why am I making this video? It is because of this. Interesting, isn't it? So now those guys have gone to the extent of replicating the VPS plastics Barkbuster handguards. So Barkbusters, you ought to watch out for these fellas. These fellows are putting out replicas, like 100% replica. So this is the VPS model from Barkbuster, which I run on my motorcycle. I have a metallic, I have this, the generic spine or the metal spine, and I have authentic, that is the original VPS plastic handguards. I drilled these guards onto the spine, I drilled holes and then I shoved 2 screws in. So on mine it is like a permanent fixture, but these guys have come up with clamps like that. So there are clamps that go onto the back, which of course I have to attach now, but this sits just like how it is with the original Barkbusters. And this plastic also feels like a notch better than what comes as the standard. Earlier we used to get something like an MX guard, the ones that you get to see on Honda Africa Twin and similar motorcycles. So that was called the MX guard, the plastic. And now they've replaced that with the Barkbuster VPS model. So now, lucky fellas, all of you, one click of a button and you can land yourselves a Barkbuster replica. You needn't pay 11,000 rupees. I have tested the metal spine for you. Lasts long, really long. And the plastic, this is a much, much better model than the MX plastic. It's because the MX plastics, I've tested it 2 or 3 times on the ground, and you will lose your plastic. It'll break and crack. But this seems to be a much better choice. I will attach the link of this particular product now. What you need to do is, you need to take this plastic guard and take the trouble of sticking the Barkbuster sticker on to that. And that's how you get your Barkbuster VPS. Good times we live in, don't we? So this came in at about 1,500 rupees, whereas the Barkbuster original metal spine and metal guard, the plastic guard will come to a total of 10,500 and not less. So for 1,500, you know now that you can count on this. This will definitely take care of your levers. This will take care of crash and falls. And this plastic seems to be a much better model than the ones that they used to sell earlier, which is called the MX guard. I will attach a pic of what I'm talking about so that you know the difference. So now, let me attach the link for you and go ahead and purchase it. You do have a good handguard. If this helped, it helped. See you guys on another one. Until then, keep rolling. Ciao.